So place your hands behind your legs, right behind your knees. Go ahead and press your legs together. Feet are flat on the floor. My elbows are slightly lifted, but my shoulders are down. And I'm going to lift the crown of my head towards the sky. I take a deep breath in. And as I exhale, I pull my navel in towards my spine. I tilt my pelvis back into what we call that posterior pelvic tilt. And I begin to lengthen my arms until my lowest part of my back is on the mat. And then I'll stop. I take a deep breath here. And as I exhale, I pull my belly in. So I press my lower back into the mat more. I squeeze my butt. I squeeze my inner thighs together. And I round my spine forward, keeping my head bowed forward, looking towards my belly, making a C shape with my spine. Good. Now let's do that again. I say I'm going to take an inhale as I go back. And exhale as I round my spine forward. And ideally, as you do this exercise, keep going, you want to use your abdominals more than you're using your arms. Yes, your arms are helping you, but we don't want to make this an arm exercise, right? Okay, so let's do this 3 more times. Inhale as you go back. And exhale as you round forward. Twice more. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Last time. Inhale back. And exhale all the way down to your mat. All right. Hug your right knee towards your chest and lengthen your left leg. I can't speak. Lengthen your left leg long on your mat. Make a deep crease in your right hip socket as we prepare for single leg circle. So now reach your right leg up towards the sky. Now, my legs are straight, but you can also have bent legs if your hamstrings are tight. That's totally fine, right? But if your legs are bent, you want to make sure that you fix the amount of bend that you have in your knee throughout the exercise. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lengthen my legs again. I have long arches, soft toes, belly in, arms pressing down and reaching. I cross over the midline of my body towards my opposite shoulder. I circle the leg down and around, and I stop at the top. Again, I cross over and around, and I stop. And over and around and stop. Twice more. One more. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction. Shallow open, deep cross, and stop. Again. So drawing circles with this leg, but trying to keep the hips quiet throughout. One more. Hug your knee into your chest. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, hugging my left leg in. Deep stretch. Feels nice to open up this right hip flexor again, right? Reach this left leg up to the sky. Arms are down, belly in. Cross over and around and stop. So I'm trying to stay within the frame of my mat. That helps me to keep my hips quiet when I do so. One more. And reverse. Two more. Last one. Hug your knee into your chest. Good. Roll over onto your side. Sit yourself up. Place your hands by your hips. Lift your hips and bring your hips forward toward your heels. Now curl your tailbone under and sit down behind your sits bones. Reach around, hold on to the front of your shins, or behind your knees, whatever's going to be comfortable for you. I'm going to hold on behind my over my shins. If you hold on behind your knees, then you'd be more in this kind of shape, a bit more of an open shape. So bow the head forward, look at your belly. Lift your elbows slightly, but not your shoulders. Okay, so this is our balance point for rolling like a ball. And you can hold this position if it's very challenging for you. If you want more of a challenge, let's go ahead and roll back to the shoulder blades. So we inhale as you roll back. Exhale as you roll up and find your balance. Again, inhale as you roll back to your shoulder blades, not to your neck, and then rock up. Again, inhale back. Exhale up. And again. And as you do this, it's a wonderful massage for the muscles, your erector muscles of your spine. So it's a nice spinal massage. Helps us move spinal cord fluid through the spine. Let's do this twice more. Last time. Good. Place your feet down. Hands by your hips. Go ahead and lengthen your legs a bit. And lower yourself down to your mat. Okay. So now let's move on to our last Pilates exercise for the day. So single leg stretch, but we're going to use our rolled up towel. So I'm going to take my towel and I'm going to place it on the back of my neck. I'm going to hold on to the towel with my hands close to the ends, and my elbows will be bent, and I'm going to gently press into the ends of the towel so that I feel my upper arms engage as well as my shoulders. Now I lift my legs up to tabletop. I glue my legs together for single leg stretch. I take a deep breath in and exhale. I press into the hands to help me nod my chin to the chest. I lift my head, neck, and shoulders off of the mat. Good. Now I pull my right leg in towards my chest and I reach my left leg out to a 45-degree angle. That is the ideal. Or you can modify it by reaching that leg straight up to the sky, but squeeze your legs together. Good. And then you change legs. And then you change legs. So I'm going to go back to my 45-degree angle. So I inhale for one leg. I inhale for the second leg. I exhale. And then I exhale. So inhale. Inhale, gazing towards your inner thighs. Exhale. Exhale. So deep breath in. And out. And inhale. And exhale. One more set. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Hug your knees in and rest your head down. Release your towel. Place your feet down. Look to your right and your left. Feel the weight of your head in the mat. Okay.